to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani. We're not going to talk about coffee, we're going to talk about skin today. So if you guys are new, for the last year? No. Since the beginning of the year, Ulta and I have partnered up to bring you guys a skincare trend of the month called the Skin-Fatuation of the month. So we've talked about masks, we've talked about blemishes, we've talked about cleansing, we've talked about so many different aspects of your skincare routine. But today, I think of all the videos that I've done so far, this one is my favorite. This used to be a very scary topic for me, let me tell you guys. Now I'm super excited. Anytime I get a new opportunity to try a new peel, I'm like, do it on my face, do it, just do it. Okay, so every month Ulta picks their top favorite products for that trend of the month, and every month is also a giveaway. So all of the products that are featured in this video will also be a giveaway at the very end of it. So there's going to be two very important links in the description box of this video. The first one is going to direct you to all of those products that you see back there and additional information and ways to add to cart, and the second link will take you guys to how you can enter the giveaway on all of these products. Now, a lot of you guys have asked, can I buy that box with all the products? It's not like a box of products. It's individual items that we're just gonna talk about. So last month's winner was Maria from La Mesa, which is super close to where I grew up, my hometown of Chula Vista. So congratulations to Maria, and I hope she's enjoying all of her prizes. But today we are going to talk about peels. Peels can be a little scary because you think of like Samantha on Sex and the City when her face looked like steak and she had to hide it behind a veil. Y'all remember? We're not gonna get that serious. This is stuff you can do at home that's totally safe and is gonna make your skin look glowy, radiant, bright, beautiful, and in tip-top glowing shape. So who's excited? Do you want to get into this box? I'm acting like this box is a surprise when the entire time the products have been there behind me this whole time. Can we just pretend it's a surprise? Like, ready? Do you want to see the unveiling? Ta-da! I'm really excited too because Ulta picked products from all price points. So if you want to try a peel, there's going to be one for you. The first product is very exciting. It's from a brand called Exfoliant, and this is the Performance Peel AP25. AP25 means that it has a 25% professional level of AHA and PHA. So glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and a really big word. And this is a safe and easy two-step process. When I saw this product, I was like, oh, they thought about everything. Okay, so this actually comes with the step 1 and the step 2. And it also comes with a sensitivity test peel. So you don't have to like break into like the whole box. You could use your little sensitivity test to see if it's something that's good for you. Now this is a 6-week supply, which means you could use it twice a week. Now this is not just your average peel. This is pretty intense. So if you want to see really dramatic results, this is one of those products that you want to use, but it does come with that sensitivity test so that you can see if it's something that you can use or not. So you're going to go in with the first pad, the activator pad. You run that along your face in circular motions, and you could leave it alone up to maybe 10 minutes. And then you go in with the neutralizer pad. That's just kind of like going to soothe your skin. So you may get some feels when you're using this product. So this is a product that yields really great results. Now, it's also a product that you could use on your neck, on your back, on the tops of your hands. So it's for all skin types, and you're not limited to just using it on the face. This next one is targeted for those of you with very mature skin, okay? This one is super exciting. It's from a brand called Dermalogica. You guys, they have this warming exfoliator that I use on my face. Oh, it's so good. Okay, anyway, focus. Okay, so this one from Dermalogica is the Rapid Reveal Peel, professional grade at-home peel. You're gonna get instant results with 0 downtime. So if you went to get a cosmetic peel, like a cosmetic procedure peel at some sort of clinic, there's gonna be some downtime, right? This one will give you no downtime. You're gonna get instant results. You apply it on the skin, you kind of massage it in. You could leave it on up to 7 minutes, I think, and then you have to thoroughly rinse it off. Now, this is, like I said, for mature skin, and it will give you instant results. So this is a brightening treatment, a resurfacing treatment, and a renewing treatment. But let me show you guys how it comes. You're gonna get so excited. It has a little suction cup. You put this up like, I don't know, on your bathroom mirror so that you actually finish the treatment. Look at this. How cool is that? You're doing a professional peel at home in the comfort of your own home with zero downtime. So if you want to see really good results, it says on the packaging that you want to use 1 tube every day for 3 days, and then you're going to transition into 1 tube per week. How cool is that? I kind of want to try it, but I don't know if I classify under the mature skin category. I'll be 34 this year, or maybe I can volunteer someone as tribute. Like maybe I can ask my mom to do it and take like before and after pictures. That'd be kind of cool. The easiest form of a peel are the form that comes in a pad, right? Those are daily peels, like you could use them every day. They're safe to use every day. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and it's the Unwrinkle Peel Pads. And it's a 20% acid complex. So it is alcohol-free, fragrance-free. It's for all skin types. And it's something that's safe enough for you guys to use every day. So you guys can see the pads in there. I don't know if I want to open it yet because I am doing a peel at the moment and I would hate for them to dry out. So the suggested use for this peel is once or twice a day, depending on your sensitivity. And I would say this with any form of peel, any type of peel. If it's one of those that says you could use it every day, I would start using it every other day or like 2 to 3 times a week just to see how your face reacts to it. And then decide if you want to amp up or taper down. So this is recommended for normal to dry skin 1 to 2 times a day. And it's in the form of a peel, so it's super convenient. You know, you don't have to do any sort of leaving on, rinsing off, massaging, or anything like that. It's just a peel, almost like if you were doing a toner on a cotton pad. The next product is safe for all skin types, and it's an overnight treatment. This is from the brand Derma E Essentials. It's the overnight peel. It's considered an exfoliating facial. And what you do is you apply this at night before bed and you rinse it off in the morning. Now, the whole point of this product is to reveal really beautiful, bright, and radiant skin. So what it's gonna do is exfoliate that top surface layer of dead skin that's creating that dullness. And also, if you guys suffer from pigmentation, sunspots, any unevenness in skin tone, it's going to help even out your skin tone and reverse skin pigmentation, or if you have age spots. Okay, this is going to be a super affordable option if you guys want to kind of dip your toes into the peel world. This is from the brand e.l.f. and it's their gentle peeling exfoliant with purified water, licorice, and papaya. Safe for all skin types, and this is recommended to be used 2 to 3 times a week. So like twice a week or every other day, right? And what you want to do is with a dry face, like full on dry face, you go in with a couple of pumps and you're going to always, you guys, with peels, avoid the eye area and the lip area. With this one, you go in straight with a dry face and you massage circular motions for a few minutes, and then you're gonna rinse thoroughly with warm water and continue with your skincare regimen, whether it's serum or your moisturizer or whatever you're using. But a super affordable, great for all skin types alternative from all of these products that we're talking about. One that I've personally used a lot, and I actually went through several tubs of this. I don't remember how I discovered this, but it was through one of those like subscription boxes or something like that, or maybe I got a sample somewhere. But these are the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are for exfoliation, toning, and brightening. This is alcohol-free, it's safe for all skin types, and it's also safe to be used every day. The cool thing about this one is that it also helps with pore refinement. So it will make your skin bright, it will make it radiant, it will help you with exfoliation, it tones your skin, but it also helps refine your pores. So it has the perfect amount of lactic and glycolic acids to really just kind of shape your skin into gear. They come in pads. It's never gonna get easier than peels that come in like a pad version, because you have no excuse, you know, you have no excuse to take after that skin and to take care of it if all you have to do is open a container, take a pad, and just tone your face. And the last product is another spa grade product. Hold on to your seats, you guys. This is from a brand called Bliss, and it's that's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. This is an overnight treatment that comes in a pad. All you have to do is cleanse your face for the night, open this little pad, rub it over your skin, don't rinse, go to bed. You're gonna wake up the next morning and be like, oh, I'm sorry. Who's that beautiful supermodel in the mirror? It is such an effective product. I use Bliss products for a very long time. They have like this warming body scrub. What is it with me and warming products? They have like a warming sugar scrub. Their salt scrub was actually really, really good. They have those body butters that smell amazing. Their under eye gels. I'm like reviewing their eye gels now, but they come in like a little reservoir. You pop it and then it goes into the pad. Panda eyes are no more when you use those. It's really, really cool. So these are gentle enough to use overnight, but they're gonna give you spa-like results. So it's like spa-grade product that you could use in the comfort of your own home and the convenience of a little pad. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this month's Skin-Fatuation trend. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure I'm the only human on this planet that gets this excited over facial peels. Just saying. I will have 2 really important links in the description box below on how you guys can find more information on these peels from Ulta, and another link how you guys can bring all of these amazing peels to your home and give them a loving, loving, loving home on your face. I mean, it's the least you can do if they're gonna give you amazing pore refinement, exfoliation, and radiant skin, right? I really enjoyed doing this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you wanna know additional information on any of these products, what's on my nails, what's on my lips, any of that stuff, it will also be listed in the description box below. But for now, y'all know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys!